Today we're gonna make baliadas, and to make baliadas we're gonna need a 12-inch and we are gonna need avocado. Then we're gonna add some sour cream and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna place the tortilla on a flat grill. Then we're gonna add the cheese on top of it once we flip it. And then after that, we're gonna scramble the 3 eggs. Okay, these eggs cook very fast, especially on the flat grill. They don't take that long, nothing but like 15 seconds. So once they're done, we're just gonna place them on the center of the tortilla. Then we're gonna add some beans as well. Okay, looks like the egg is done, and we're just gonna place it on top of the beans. Cheese is underneath. Now we're gonna add some sour cream. We are gonna add some green salsa in there just for flavor. Then we're gonna add the avocado. And then we're gonna flip it and we're gonna fold it like quesadilla. And that's pretty much it, guys. So we're just gonna cut it in half. We're gonna cut it in 4 pieces and that's the final result. Hope you guys like it and enjoy it. We'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.